The U.S. dollar is trading higher across the board. The Federal Reserve hiked rates by a quarter percentage point as widely expected. On Wednesday, the central bank also announced its plan to unwind its $4.5 trillion balance sheet. Now, the central bank conceded that recent inflation figures had shown signs of weakness. Fed Chair Janet Yellen said that one-off price decreases were responsible for soft inflation. Now, most Fed members pointed to one more rate hike this year and an average of 3 in 2018. In this morning's U.S. economic data releases, initial jobless claims fell by 8,000 to 237,000 in the 7 days to June 10th. Now, the 4-week average of new claims rose by 1,000. And in other regional figures, the New York Empire State Index rebounded to a reading of 19.8 in the latest month from -1 in May. At the same time, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index in June fell to 27.6 from 38.8 in May. Meanwhile, the price of imported goods fell in May in the U.S. by the largest amount in 15 months. The import price index fell 0.3% last month, while the price of goods exported fell by 0.7%. And overseas, the Bank of England held its key interest rate at 0.25%. The central bank also held its asset purchase program unchanged. Now, take a look at the major currency pairs. Euro-dollar is down 0.6% at 1 in 11.51. The pair has broken below a rising trend line and remains under pressure. The RSI also shows downside momentum, and short positions below 1 in 12.30 are preferred, with targets at 1 in 11.65 and 1 in 11.40 in extension. Meanwhile, pound dollar is off 0.15% at 1 in 27.31, while dollar yen is higher by 0.7% at 110.34. Taking a quick look at precious metals for spot gold, even a continuation of the consolidation can't be ruled out. Its extent should be limited. Now, below the 12.57 level, trading central analysts do look for further downside, with targets standing at 12.53.5 and 12.51 in extension. Meanwhile, silver prices are sliding 2.6%, trading at $16.69. And that does wrap it up for this morning. I'm Remy Blair reporting from the New York Stock Exchange. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. Have a great day.